The inventory tree. Here, we will build an organizational structure for our products. This section acts as an introduction to the inventory view. Inventory Manager. The Inventory Manager section has 4 tab options: Inventory, Website, Customers, and Purchase Orders. The Purchase Order tab will be discussed at the end of the Site Home section. Inventory. The Inventory tab is where you create or drag supplies from a distributor to eventually display on your website and provide to your customers. Creating your tree structure or drill down. Building your inventory is based on a tree structure, sometimes referred to as a drill down. It is up to you to define how deep in the tree structure you want to go to define your supplies. You will note that we have 3 options under the tab heading Build Inventory: New Category, New Group, and New Supply. The categories help further define your supplies by using a tree or drill down. The group is used for a specific supply type or supply line. The supply is part of a group or in and of itself. You could define paper, as in the example shown below, into many types. There is xerographic, inkjet, and drafting paper, just to name a few, with each of those paper types defined even further. For instance, we could categorize an inkjet bond paper into its tree structure that looks like this: paper and film, inkjet, CAD media, bond. And under the bond category, we could create the supply groups of different types of bond paper, with each of those groups having multiple supplies within them. To create a category, group, or supply, just select it and you will be asked to enter the name. In the example below, we have selected a new category called Engineering. By clicking the Add button, you will place the name of the option selected under the highlighted line in the area marked under Inventory. In the following example, the paper and film category was highlighted prior to adding the new category. The new category was placed at the bottom of the tree, just under inkjet. Please note that you will be able to move by dragging all categories, groups, and supplies once they have been created. In order to create a root category, group, or supply on the same drill down level as the paper and film shown below, you will need to select the Escape key prior to entering the Build Inventory command to create the new category, group, or supply. We will next create a group of 20-pound bond paper under the category Bond. To do this, just highlight the category Bond first and then select the New Group option to add it. You now have the group created. To edit the group and add supplies to it, just double-click the group name, the highlighted bar, or the Edit key to the far right of the group name. When you do this, you will be editing the